Kani Kadik Darshan Meghalaya ban Iprang Sobhai Pibaro, Shakani Kutup Kobor Mentaka Janmir. Shabingin Paish Kubor Gwebnya in a pet Shwai Kimat Kibakongsan. Hapadeng ki kendram kibami hakarupam thongkam hanigrims kuntu ke sarkar ki seng bhalang banyat kat kumkaan. Pintikna usembut Menteri Rangba ya kejingkongsan ka Aadhaar card banyo ikilat jingerap na ka sarkar. Omtang bagi plastik ki penjebo ikamariang hendai ki bu jingmai ki saudong saukun. Ong Menteri Rangba Kejela ukan rat sangma. Banjuru MP ke Rajya Sabha u Dr. W.R. Khamruki ke Jingdon Kam. Bandon ke Jingeteli happening ki Jela ke Thanche Telemik ni. Hai Kemat ke BJP ke Meghalaya ban Pintlan. Ikinong Trey Jong Peseng haki lais nyam ki Banwan. Khubor ki babnya usembut Menteri Rangba Kejela Meghalaya badekmi iktanat ki kampulit uba prestun tingsong ula kentu ya ki seng bhalang bekidei bankiar na ke jingshim ya kaan halaki kti kani ke jingkren kalami hadin ba ke jingja ke banangja shen ki belami na kedau ke jing persha ya ke rukom thungkam ha North Eastern Indira Gandhi Regional Institute of Health and Medical Sciences. Habak kedau baka sarkar ka khot ngobha bandon ya ka jinge kren bat jinge phaliu jingmud bat ki kinhon ki beidon benta ulaong bakinu kinu ki jinge persha ni ki jingle ki dei banlong kat kumkaan.
We should, be it a pressure group or be it anybody, I would request to everyone that we should, whatever we do, it should be guided, prescribed norms of the law. We can't, take the law on our own hands. So whatever it should be as per the law, prescribed. So I would request, yes, there may be some kind of discussion or meeting with different agencies. I mean, we welcome that, but at the same time, you cannot just take the law in your hand.
Hapdeng ki kendram ki balami na kadau ka jing persha yaka jing pinbor ban pinrung kerteng ha Aadhaar ha Meghalaya usembut Menteri Rangba Kejela uba prestun tinsong ulapin kin mau biang yaka jing kongsan jong ka Aadhaar card na kabenta ban yo yaki jing syakri bapher jong ka sarkar ulaong bawatla ka sarkar kamla ban pinbor yanu ban pinrung kerteng Aadhaar kitu ki breu ki budget ban om pinrung kerteng kin hap ban do no ya bun ki jing mentoy ki bala ban yo lingba ki scheme ka sarkar pedeng bat sarkar jela.
I've seen recently some section of people, they are against it. I can't say anything on that. If they don't want to avail the facilities provided by the government, be it central or state, so it is up to them. We cannot force them for registration of Aadhaar card in case if they feel that it is totally unnecessary for them.
Ki plastik kimdei tang baki penjebo ika mariang Henry ki longru ka jingmai ki saudong saukun bat iki jingthau ki badan jing im laong Menteri Rangba Kejela konrat ke sangma lingba ka rinsan social media ka X ulaong ya kani kat ba udang bat ya ubilor plastik balatam naka klau kat ba udang let yat kejat ha klau ba internet jongka rhododendron trek ha apashalong dangshen Menteri Rangba ula ai jingmut ya ki pat ba ha bakilet banyat kejat banyat kai ni banlet bam khana shiki jaka ki be itnan ki di ban kiar na ka jingpin jabo bat banta mi ki jabo ki jongki.
Don't leave your garbage behind. Something that I really would like to urge our tourists as well as citizens and people coming to be part of this beautiful trek, that please don't litter, please don't leave your garbage behind like this. It's a simple thing for you, but it spoils the entire forest area. And just carry this trash with you, your trash with you, and maybe also pick up some of the trash that you see that others who are not as responsible as you may have left behind. Just take it and throw it in the designated locations. But please don't litter the forest. This is something that will really spoil the forest and the entire environment out here.
UMP Rajya Sabha na Meghalaya u Dr. Wanway Roy Karluki ulapin pau bakathan shatay lamig jongkari India kan omyo ikajing mentoy ladakamdon kajing Italy hapring ki jila kathan shatay lamig ulaong ka sorkar pedeng kan shimkhya ya kajing dawa jongki tanglada kadon kaway kaseng sanhima kaban kentup arpo hadu arpo wengut ki MP ban mikmat ya kathan habakubur bakadon kerensan jongki MP kathan shatay lamigi u Dr. Karluki ulaong ba kambon sien kani kerensan kajukyar banyakan shapangki mat ki bakta iwe ulaong ba kajingekren kambon sien ka David halor karoy kapar jong kathan shatay lamigi
But in the northeast, we don't have the strength. Kumulong ta, kumulong poi hangteng poiler kejong, BJP kejong, Congress kejong, kejing ilek menta individually kepoi se. Dan rei lagi ilek as a force. Mundur lagi don ke parti na northeast kebala don arpo MP. Kini kita voice kebala apakah kumulong ke Government of India ka happen.
U Vice President Barim kaseng BJP ha Meghalaya u Gagan Jain ulaong ba kaseng BJP ha Meghalaya kan paikman hakabatay pat iginong tre hakini kilais nam kibanwan. U Jain ulaong ba ka BJP ha Meghalaya kalaray ban pinklan ya kaseng nadu kibenta kibarit bat ban pinslur ya kinong tre ban mi shabar. Habapin pau baka yok vote jong kaseng kampat shimla duna. Ujin ulaong bakaseng kadang la ban pinhe ya kashuki halaban bat pinthor umkra.
To form a government or to win more MLA seats in our state, we need the grassroots organization. We build the grassroots. What we have realized over the past 10 years is that we build the grassroots organizations and then for some reason or the other, it doesn't succeed going forward. Then we have to rebuild it. So that saga has been going on. Now we have decided under the leadership of Barikman Moment that we will strengthen that grassroots organization and will encourage the true Karyakartas to come up in all the mandals.
Kajingja takho kali kaba ishirkhay kalashim ya kajing im jongkaway ka samla kaba train nurse officiate ha civil hospital nongpo. Kani kajing takho kali kalaja ha kabaka kali kabaka shong kala takho bat katrok kabayat ha kasurok ba National Highway 6 hajan kathan lum umpi Hariboy district. Kani kajingja kalaja ha kamit singi thoding kumbak hatway beje. Ya kani ka samla balaklat at tipkerteng da I phella shisha linser arpo sansnam kerta nakashnong umber lausim Hariboy district. Ka sorkar ka thmu ban be tingka shipho lak klor tingka hakini ki arsnam banwan ban pinklan bat pinbhai ki surok ba highway hakaleng kari dakaba khampai khmat kerpang shakathan shatelami jongkari yakani lapintip da umantri katna road transport and highways u Nitin Gadkari ulapin scam baka sorkar ka thmu ban shim yaki project ban pinbhai yaki jingtei hakithan shatelami hakaba ki surok kinlong kum ki surok hakari Amerika. Umantri ulaong ba kadon kam kerke ban pinhe iki surok hakithan chatay lamig habaken ya kajaka kaba jinjar bat kabadon hajan ki kaput bat katu katni kiri. Kajingi shimbenta jongki nongra narshin rang bat kentei nakaleng ke district jongka Meghalaya ha kalumpung Meghalaya Invitational Weightlifting Tournament ba arsingi balapinlong da Hariboy District Weightlifting Association kalapinlong ya kalumpung ke ba shongshit bat ke ba aiman sim kinong ilek kai da kajing kut jingmut ke ba kharau da ke ba pin ya kajing tibit bat kajing klan jongki kat ba kidang ilek kai ban yo ke burom hak ban poyak li do. Hakani ka sngi la don lang u MP ka Lok Sabha na Shillong u Dr. Ricky AJ Singkon.
Each one of you are the heart of this great event. Well, the sport of weightlifting is not merely lifting weights. I believe it's also about lifting your own limits. And we saw today one of the athletes was body weight was 55 kg and lifting I think 80 kg. So it's not just about lifting weights, it's about lifting our limits.
Kapli on inter-school sports meet badang yat Chaprang Menta, balapin long daka art source, haka jingitre lang bat ka Directorate of Sports and Youth Affairs. Kalapin long ya ka jingilek kai semi-final basketball, haka singi jan Hadon Bosco Higher Secondary School. Haka ni kelumpung layo ya ka jingikun ke bajur bha padengki school, ki bayishim benta habaro ar ki kirdan jong ki kena kin thai bat shinrang. Kini ki jingilek kai ki lapin ya ka jing tibit, bat ka jing IT lut jong ki samlai lek kai. Hakatayo banwan kindon ki jingilek kai bekuntup ya ka e-sports ka final basketball bat ka final football. Kapli on inter-school sports meet katmu ban pindroy ya ki samlai lek kai bat ban kintiu ya ka jingilek kai haka school level. Ban ailat i kena school ban pin ya ki sab ki pong ki jongki. Haka jingilek kai football ka Mohan Bagan Super Giant kalayok ra ya ka nam lakdu haka lumpung Indian Super League ISL arhajar arhusau arhusan. Hadin bakalapin rem no ya ka Bengaluru FC da ar ra iwe. Ha Vivekananda Yuba Bharati Krirangan Stadium ha Kolkata. Kani kadai kasian ka baar baka Mohan Bagan kalayok ra ya ka nam lakdu haka lumpung ISL. Hadin ka jingyok ra ya ka nam lakdu ka baningkong haka ayom ilek kai jong usnem arhajar arpholai kalalong ru ka kinhun ilek kai ka baar hadin ka Mumbai City FC ha usnem arhajar arphowe banjob lang ya ka League Winners Shield bat ISL Cup haka juk ka ayom ilek kai mintang nipet ya ka jinglong jingman gasun beneng hatura Kajing kriat kalong 8 degree Celsius, bat kajing shit kalong 5 degree Celsius. Kajing siam kahaw-haw mentakas ngi kalong saup lay na shispa. Habapai pat shanong ba shalong kajing kriat kalong katlay 0 degree Celsius, bat kajing shit kalong 8 lay 0 degree Celsius. Kajing siam kahaw-haw mentakas ngi kalong prapo nakashispa. Kajing hap slap kalong sun 0 millimeters. Kadbah hajuai pat kajing kriat kalong 4 degree Celsius, bat kajing shit kalong 8 degree Celsius. Kajing siam kahaw-haw mentakas ngi kalong hinriupo kandai nakashispa. Kalak bandon kajing hap slap hakikat tu kat ni ki jaka shalong tura bat juai. Shaban poi jebukut jong ketup kubor ni pet biang sesisian kimat ki bekongsan. Hapdeng ki kenram ki bumi hakarukom thungkam hanegrum kentu ke sarkar ki seng bhalang banyat kat kumkaan. Pentikna usembut Menteri Rangba ya ke jingkongsan ke Aadhaar card banyo ikila jingerap na ke sarkar. Omtang bagi plastik ki penjebo ikamariang Henry ki bu jingmai ki saudong saukun. Ong Menteri Rangba ke Jelau Konrad Sangma. Banjuru MB ke Raja Sabhau Dr. W.R. Kharluki ya ke jingdon kam bandon ke jingteli hapdeng ki jela ke than cetai lemi ini. Haikmat ke BJP ke Meghalaya ban pentlan ni kinong tre jong ke seng hakilai Islam ki Banwan. Tiparlok katung ilapoi syaka bukut jong ketup kubor jengi mentah ke janmit haduk minisyam biang lasai kesengi kublai pi barok.